The following is a dust storm warning for the following counties in Nevada: Churchill, Lyon, and Mineral. The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a dust storm warning for central Churchill County in west central Nevada, northwestern Mineral County in western Nevada, southern Lyon County in west central Nevada, until 1:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 10:32 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a dust channel extended from 11 miles southeast of Lovelock south to near Walker Lake. Hazard: less than a quarter-mile visibility with winds north 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 35 miles per hour. Source: satellite and surface observations. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. Highways 50 and 95 between Fallon and Hawthorne, and Highway 359 south of Hawthorne. Locations impacted include Fallon, Hawthorne, Stillwater, Walker Lake, and Schurz. Dust storms can be deadly. Near zero visibility. If caught in dust, pull off the road and turn off all lights.